All right, guys, so welcome back. So in this video, we're going to be running a very simple example without putting something with PHP. So in fact, I've quickly gone through to create a folder called PHP Crash Course, where actually organize all the module or what we're going to be doing here into separate folders. So we're going to starting with the first year being the introduction, which I created all this. So this directory is actually open right here with my VS Code. So with what I have here, so I have this folder here called introduction and a file here called hello world.php. Now generally all PHP files must be saved with a .php extension. So I will strongly advise you do the same thing also. So from what I have here, okay, so I've created this file called hello world.php. Now, quickly, PHP follows through with this syntax. So to begin a PHP statement, you must do this. So you use the opening angle bracket here, the question mark, and then PHP. And then to end it also, we use the question mark and let's just say greater than sign. So lesser than sign, question mark, PHP, and whatever we want to be doing with PHP would be safe, be in between, not outside. Okay, not outside. Like for instance, here it has to be inside here. All right. So in PHP, the output statement is called echo, or we use print. So if I want to show something on the browser or on my screen, I have to say echo and whatever I want to do. So in fact, in this case, it's going to be, let's say, hello world. So I write it in quotes like this, and it has to end with a semicolon. So whatever I do, I'll have to end with a semicolon. So save this, run it. So double click on this to open it. All right. So wait for it. So it's going to open. So this is what I have here. So, but what we're going to go through. So we have this part here to the first, okay, the first part here, okay, right from where you have, say, blah, 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 Laragon and WW. So you're going to take your mouse here, highlight this part. So we're going to take it out. So take it out. And what I'm going to tell you is local host. So remember in the previous video, I said, what we're doing here is like, a host or a server, but actually resident on our laptop. So type localhost, press enter. So this is what I got. Hello world. So if I wanted to do something else, so I can also do this. Welcome to PHP. Let's just say welcome to learning PHP, and a semicolon at the end. Save it and let's refresh it one more time. All right, so okay, let me take this out for now. Save it and let's refresh. So welcome to learning PHP. All right, thank you. So this is how to output something in PHP. So we're going to be learning a whole lot in this video, or in this course rather. We're going to be learning a lot. So I would strongly recommend that you stick tight and follow through with the example as we go along. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.